Cool?
Yeah.
All right. It's not one touch. I'm gonna notice that.
It's a Ferrari.
I know, right?
You just kind of have to put up with those things.
Oh yeah, yeah, for sure. Crazy. So this is for the glove box. I love it. Look, Ferrari backup cam on a steering wheel. Look at that. Pretty sweet, right? Yay! I think it'd be fun to literally Snapchat as we're doing this, right? And put that in the show as well.
Yeah.
You know, kind of split away from professional cams to me with this.
Snapchats.
You know, for sure. You know, I can see that. Now, hope we can get this on the GoPro. Nice. Shit.
Feels pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Which is more nerve-wracking with all the nannies off? This or a Viper?
The Viper's just like a big freaking sledgehammer of a car.
Yeah, for sure.
Like you have to be seriously like you have to drive it like a man.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead.
That and the we had a Corvette.
Oh my God, this thing pulls like somebody's business. Wow. Okay.
Cool me.
Let's go. Yeah. So. Good God.
Pretty aggressive shifts.
Yeah. Now the nanny's off right now?
Yeah, all the nannies are off.
Okay. Damn. Oh my God. Woo! Jesus.
Oh, fourth gear pull.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yep. Oh. Okay. Pretty aggressive, yeah? For sure.
Leave it wiggle room now.
Oh yeah.
Definitely go faster.
Wait, so the nannies are off. You're just, this really does handle that well. It doesn't. Wow. My brother just texted me. He's like, "Are you driving that?" My brother never. He doesn't care, right?
Yeah.
He and I are kind of funny, and he's actually excited about this, which is kind of weird.
Ferrari.
Hey, Ferrari! Yeah, I've got to get me one of these. Woo! Oh. Yep, I'm digging this. This is, oh yeah.
You always want to have super smooth hand movements.
Yeah.
Smoothly turn in. Smoothly.
I'm glad you know the track because
Squeeze the brakes more.
I'm guessing you really. Oh. Yeah. No, I'm just trying to hold on. I'm sure you scare some people the first time you take them out because that coming around that blind corner right there is nuts.
Yeah, and down the hill.
Oh yeah.
Try to rip it down the hill.
Let's do it.
Pretty intense.
Yeah. You know what else is intense? Camping. Yeah, that's.
Camping.
Woo. Oh. Yep, I'm digging that. And yet it still stays planted in the back. That's nuts. I guess Ferrari does know what they're doing, huh?
It's all about finessing it too.
Yeah.
I could definitely make it not stable.
Oh yeah,
if
for
I was
sure.
a little
It's got a little
sloppy
flick.
or something. Yeah. If I turned it too aggressive, it would come around.
Okay. This is woohoo! This thing just pulls.
Keeps pulling.
Oh my God.
All the way into the red line.
Yeah,
It pulls harder
it
and
does.
harder and harder.
That's absolutely insane.
Can't go too fast because we don't have helmets on.
Yeah. Oh, you'd
Play
be
around a little bit.
Oh, so you'd be faster with a helmet, huh? Oh
Yeah.
my God. Okay, I'll dig that. Jeez. Did you have fun?
I had fun.
Did you guys have fun? We did. Absolutely. For those of you who don't know, I'm not that big of a Ferrari fan, but Harrison just made me a Ferrari fan. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Anytime.